Join me as I take on the challenge of maximizing my dividends and discovering the best finance strategies for big returns. Dividends are a crucial component of an investment portfolio, offering a relatively stable source of income for investors. Yet many investors often overlook the potential of dividends to generate substantial returns. In this video, we'll dive into the world of dividend investing and explore the finance strategies that can help you maximize your income. When it comes to dividend investing, many investors face a common dilemma: which dividend stocks to choose and how to allocate their portfolio for optimal returns. One of the biggest challenges is separating the wheat from the chaff, identifying the dividend stocks that are truly worth investing in. Another hurdle is balancing dividend yield with overall portfolio performance, ensuring that your dividend investments don't come at the expense of growth or capital preservation. Furthermore, investors often struggle to navigate the complex landscape of dividend declaration dates, ex-dividend dates, and payout ratios. Lastly, there's the eternal conundrum of whether to prioritize high-yield stocks or focus on dividend growth and stability. As investors, we're constantly reminded that past performance is not indicative of future results. Yet, when it comes to dividend stocks, historical dividend payments can provide valuable insights into a company's commitment to sharing its profits with shareholders. It's essential to scrutinize a company's dividend payment history, looking for consistency and reliability in its dividend payouts. We must also consider the company's financial health, ensuring that its dividend payments are sustainable in the long term. When building a dividend portfolio, it's tempting to focus solely on high-yield stocks. However, this approach can be risky, as high yields often come with higher volatility and increased default risk. A more balanced approach involves diversifying your portfolio across different sectors and asset classes, spreading risk and increasing the potential for steady returns. By combining high-yield stocks with dividend growth and stability, you can create a robust portfolio that generates consistent income while minimizing risk. Reinvesting dividends is another powerful strategy for maximizing returns. By reinvesting your dividend income, you can harness the power of compounding, generating exponential growth over time. This approach requires patience and discipline, as the benefits of compounding may not be immediately apparent. However, over the long term, reinvested dividends can prove to be a significant source of wealth creation. One key insight that has proven successful for investors is the concept of a dividend aristocrat. These are companies that have consistently increased their dividend payouts over a decade or more, demonstrating a commitment to sharing their profits with shareholders. By focusing on dividend aristocrats, investors can tap into a reliable source of income while also benefiting from the potential for long-term capital appreciation. The key is to identify companies with a strong track record of dividend payments and a solid financial foundation, ensuring that their dividend payouts are sustainable in the long term. In addition to dividend aristocrats, another successful strategy involves targeting high-yield stocks with a strong dividend growth trajectory. This approach combines the attractiveness of high yields with the potential for long-term capital appreciation. By focusing on companies with a history of dividend growth, investors can tap into a powerful source of returns while minimizing the risk of dividend cuts or suspensions. By employing these finance strategies, investors can maximize their dividend income and generate substantial returns over time. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the key is to adopt a well-planned approach to dividends, combining multiple strategies to create a robust portfolio that meets your investment goals. In summary, maximizing dividends requires a thoughtful and diversified approach, involving a range of strategies that balance yield, growth, and stability. By incorporating reinvested dividends, diversification, and a focus on high-yield stocks and dividend aristocrats, investors can unlock the full potential of dividend investing and achieve their financial objectives. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts on maximizing dividend income, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on investing strategies and personal finance.